let us have a conversation with our friend ChatGPT, right? Uh, but before we get started, let me say something. It's really, really important, right? Now, formerly, um, a lot of people tend to lose their jobs, right, as a result of the advancement in technology, right? Let's say, formally, uh, if someone is about to shoot a movie, right? Let's say a movie production company intends to shoot a movie and they want to take a camera position at the top or in the sky. Formerly, they'll tend to spend a lot of money to, let's say, hire an helicopter, right? And the cameraman will be at the top with the camera trying to sight, let's say, building from the top, right? But in terms of the advancement in technology, uh, that doesn't work anymore, right? Things tend to be a little bit cheaper. There's an advancement in technology. People tend to just imagine the cameraman who does that will tend to lose his job, right? Why? Because the drone is on board, right? It's an advancement of technology. The drone is on board. So it's gone. People tend to lose that part of their job, right? Because of the advancement in technology. Now, let's bring this in when it comes to Chat GPT. Now, you find it difficult sometimes as a programmer for you to, let's say, come up with code. Sometimes you find it difficult to write a JavaScript code to pass in items, right? Or let's say you're a PHP developer, Laravel developer, and you try to, let's say, you forgot the syntax you need to insert an item into my SQL database. You find it difficult, or you just can't picture how it tends to be, which one have to be inserted, which one have to which query have to be taken away, or all of that, right? But with Chat GPT, just with your chat, just with your conversation, Chat GPT can be able to, let's say, generate this code freely for you. You don't have to go through any stress. This is really, really magnificent. All right. So let's come over here and let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. Generate. Okay. Let's say as a PHP developer, generate a PHP code to insert um to insert an item into my SQL database. Generate a PHP code to insert an item into my SQL database. And let's see what ChatGPT have to say for that. All right. Let's see. Establishing a connection to my SQL database. You see this? You see this? It's the format. This really what you need to do to generate to insert. So remember we have that is what they call CRUD, right? Create, retrieve, update, delete, and lots more. You can as well use it in other programming language. We don't really want to, let's say, make this part of the video to be longer, but you can as well ask ChatGPT to give you, let's say, a particular task or a particular um, function that you intend to carry out, right? Remember, ChatGPT is not like you can use ChatGPT to, let's say, like an JDK, right? Or let's say like a text editor to write the code. But what you can use ChatGPT to do it like a reminder, or you can say, give me this code for me to try here, and so forth and so on, right? Instead of using Google or search on the query, right? Can you give me this for this to run this and this, right? So, and you intend to search, waste your time to go into different websites to another website, another website, right? Coming and coming and coming. You can just ask ChatGPT, I want this function for this. It's going to give it to you. I want that function for that. It's going to give it to you. It's really simple, right? And this is what you can try it. Try different things like generate a PHP code to delete, uh, and so on and so forth. You can ask it to give you a post request that you can use on your JavaScript Node.js and so on and so forth. Right? You can try this on your own. So these are some of the things you can do with ChatGPT. This tool is very awesome. All right.